When value pricing, one of the most powerful things you can do is use menu pricing. That's where you create different packages and you give the client a choice. Very often you'll see it as three options, bronze, silver, gold, if you like. But actually in the software, you can have any number of packages from 1 to 5. 3 is the one that's usually the default, but if you only want to give one choice, you can do that. Let me show you in the software how. When you reveal your prices to your clients, you can show them a range of different packages. In this case, we have our entry, our full, our premium. They can see the price for each, and they can see through a series of ticks and crosses what's included and what's not included in the packages. It's really easy to set this up. Let me just show you. We go into the settings behind the scenes. We go into our model management. We go into, in this case, our cloud setup, and we can now start to make a few changes. So I'm going to go into pricing parameters, and you can set up to 5 different options. Here we've set up 3, and we do that through, we can choose with the display options whether we want to show a package or hide it. In other words, we don't want to use it, or we can have something called reveal, which means you can choose whether to reveal it or not and the order. So I have 3 that I'm going to show. It's my bronze, silver, gold, if you like. And what we can do is we can change all sorts of settings for our packages. We can choose whether it's a monthly price, whether it's a single price, how many months it's spread over. We can choose whether to use rounding, price psychology. We can set minimum prices, maximum prices, how the price differs from the other packages. Do we add something on? Do we multiply it? We have complete control. We have complete control over what we call them. We don't have to be entry, full and premium. It could be bronze, silver, gold if you prefer. You choose exactly how you want to show them. And then if we go to the next tab, which is packages, this is where we can now decide what's going to be included in the different packages. So it may be if we're doing a cloud accounting system, a setting up, we might want to include setting up the chart of accounts. Obviously an important part of setting up a cloud accounting system. And we might decide that we want to include that in all the different packages, but we could include them or have some other setting. And we will now see that setting up the chart of accounts is at the bottom of the list. We can put that at the top. It may be that when we show this to the client, we want that to be the first thing that they see. So you can very quickly, very easily build up your list of what's included in the packages, how that's presented to the client.